Hey, Jin here again. I'm here in Pickering Brook in WA. Just finished some apple picking. We had quite an interesting FOMC last night where we didn't see a cut in the interest rates as expected. But in the statement, we didn't see any clear indication of further cuts this year. Right, so it's quite interesting that the FOMC, despite what Trump has been saying and trying to do, or trying to force the US dollar weaker, the FOMC has not indicated any further cuts this year, with some expectation that there might be cuts, there might be one cut next year in 2020. Okay, so despite what you might be hearing, it seems like there's still some expectation, market expectation that they're going to cut interest rates in July, in the FOMC in July. It seems unlikely at this point in time. It seems like the FOMC is likely to hold, wait and see what happens before deciding to take action in 2020. So because of that, we actually saw that the FOMC news event last night, or early this morning, was not really a big event. A lot of fluctuations up and down. I'm pretty sure it hits quite a few number of stops before it slowly this morning gradually we saw some US dollar weakness because not because of the FOMC, but more because of what Trump said, that he could have the power to remove Jerome Powell if required or if he wanted. Okay, so we see some US dollar weakness right now, not because of what the FOMC was doing or didn't do. We see some US dollar weakness now because of Trump's commentary again. I still don't think this is going to be a long-term effect. It still might be a medium-term. Overall, we still might see some more volatility in the US dollar, especially as this trade war continues on. The key point you want to pay attention to next will be how the trade talks between China and the US goes, or even if it actually exists, if it actually turns out to happen. All right, so in the meantime, trade well, trade safe, and we'll chat again soon. Bye.